Hello guys, in the previous video we learned how to install SQL Server. Now the installation is complete. In this video we will learn how to log in into the SQL Server. The first thing is we will put your computer name. So my computer name is Sarin PC. I will put my computer name. I will select Windows Authentication and click on connect. You see it has connected to my database. Now I will show you the second way to connect to the database. Earlier we did by Windows Authentication. Now let us try SQL Server Authentication. Here I will put the login name as SA and I will put the password which I have entered during installation. On click of connect, see it has connected to the database and I can see all the database settings. If you want to connect to the local database, you can also put a dot. So when you specify a dot, it means the local database. So if you see now again it has connected to my local database. So then the fourth way to connect to the local account is by using localhost. I will enter localhost here. I will click on connect. So now if you see it has connected to my database using localhost. So these are the different ways on how you connect to a local DB. Let us see how do you connect to a remote server. You can connect by your machine name or you can connect by IP address. Here I have the IP address of my server, so I will just put the IP address. I am also putting my port number. If the port number is default, so you don't have to put the port number. I am using SQL Server Authentication. Here I will put my login name and I will put the password and I will click on connect. So it has connected to my remote server. In settings, how to specify the additional settings to connecting to the database. For that you have to go to options. You can see the connection properties. Here you can specify how to connect to database, or you can specify the protocols, or you can specify the timeout for execution and connection. Here the connection timeout is 15 seconds. It means it will attempt to connect to remote server for at least 15 seconds before giving you the timeout error. Let us see one more way to connect to a database. If some of the server is slow, then you can increase the connection timeout and you can try connecting again. Another way to connect to the database is to push the entire connection string. If you have the connection string, then you can go to the third tab, which is additional parameter. Put your connection string and click on connect. So once you click on connect, as you see it has connected to my remote server. So that's it in this video. So in this video we saw the different ways on how to connect to a SQL server using Windows Authentication and SQL Server Authentication. In the next video we will go with the basics of the database, like creating a database, creating a table, what is a table, etc. That's it in this video. Keep watching for more such videos. Thanks for watching. If you like the video then please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.